Let's see what the industry is saying about the benefits of being a learning organization. Remember, being a learning organization means continuous learning at all levels. Using some of the insights we've mentioned in this video series, such as microlearning, peer-to-peer learning, whisper courses, or feedback loops, learning should always be engaging. Companies who have mastered employee engagement see the benefits, from 21% increase in profitability and sales productivity to 41% lower absenteeism and a 40% increase in quality of output. Engaged teams is a proven method to drive ROI for learning. With improved performance comes higher customer satisfaction. 43% of customers end working relationships over poor customer experiences, and 77% of poor customer service experience was a direct result of an employee's attitude. Only highly engaged teams can deliver value that makes clients return. Don't make it easy for them to walk away. Embed learning into your company. Show your teams that you care by allowing them chances to grow.